Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So love is in the air and it's time for the Valentine's Day look. So happy Valentine's Day to you all, and Valentine's Day means either red or pink. So I opted for the pink side of Valentine's Day, and also I am going to try to use a lot of pink products in this video. Even my highlighter is pink today. So you see, it's going to be a lot of pinks today. So I hope you guys will enjoy this look. And if you guys want to see how I did this one, let's move on with the tutorial. Okay, so why not use everything pink in this video? I will try to use as much as pink packaging product in this video because you know it's Valentine's Day. And then in Valentine's Day, everything is pink and red. So yeah, it goes with the theme of the video. So the primer that I'm using today for my face is the Too Faced Hangover RX Replenishing Face Primer. Such a long name, but it's the Too Faced Hangover Primer. So I'm going to be using this one as my primer today to hydrate my skin, and later I will just try to add in a little bit of pore filling primer in the T-zone area of my face. So let's color correct, and I don't think I need to mention this with you guys. I think I always bore you guys with this particular product. This is the Elegant Pro HD Concealer, and this is in the shade Fawn. I use this one to color correct my face. Just lightly tapping in the product. I'm just not wearing the lenses right now. I will wear them at the end of this video because I just want to give my eyes as much as rest possible, because I have been constantly filming for the past few days and I've been wearing the contact lenses for very long hours. So I just want my eyes to get some rest. So I'm not going to be wearing it during the time that I'm filming right now. I will just tie up the look together at the end of this video, and then I'll wear the lens and everything will look nice. But yeah, usually I prefer to wear my lenses before I do my makeup. Jumping into the foundation, I'm using the Lancome Tint Idole foundation, and this is in the shade 415 Biz W. For the highlighting purpose in my face right now, I'm using the MAC Prolongwear Concealer, and this is one of my most favorite concealer in high-end. I even like this more than my Tarte Shape Tape one, because the Tarte Shape Tape one is very heavy in consistency, but this one is very full coverage, but the consistency of this one is so light that you cannot even feel like you're wearing anything. So definitely, if you guys are thinking of like trying out any higher end concealer, then I would definitely suggest you guys this one. This is amazing. Also, I'm using this one in my lid too because I'm not going to be using any eyeshadow primer. This is going to act as my eyeshadow primer too. I usually always use my concealers as my eyeshadow primer, though I do have other eyeshadow primers. I do like the P. Louise one, but you can easily just use, it's just so little less time consuming because you just can just right away put your concealer in your eyelid and you're good to go. Remember, we are actually trying to use products which are pink or they come in pink packaging, but the thing that I'm going to be using right now, it is actually pink in color. So it's interesting because you guys actually don't see me doing it that much. I might have shown you guys a few demos in my lives in Facebook, but otherwise I actually don't do it regularly. But this is something I also like doing because I have bought so many of this powder because I like pink powder. I like using pink powder. So I'm going to be using a pink powder today. This is from W7 and this is the Feather Dreams Loose Powder. We are very familiar with the W7 Banana Powder, or like the Banana Dreams Powder, but we might not have seen this one going around that much because this particular one is a pink powder, but it's very affordable and it works really nicely. And what using a pink powder does is that it actually brightens up the under eye area very much, and it just looks good. So I'll use this one today. A lot of the times you guys see me using a lighter shade of powder, like a banana powder, which is a little bit light for the under eye area, and for the rest of the face I use a little bit more darker banana powder. You guys have seen me doing that with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake powders, but this actually serves the same way, but the pink powder actually brightens up the under eye area a little bit more. And you might think that supposed, isn't it gonna look like pink in your eye area? No, it actually doesn't look pink, but it makes the under eye area look very bright. So I'm going to be using this one in the under eye area, and for the face I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake in the shade Banana Bread. Before setting everything in place, just make sure that you don't have any products lined up in your crease lines. Otherwise, if you set it like that, it will make your face look wrinkly. So we don't want that, and that's why I'm just going in once again with my sponge to get the products out of the crease lines and then apply the powder. Now taking the Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder in the shade Banana Bread, and this is going all over my face. Okay, so now I'm just going to be doing my eyebrows off camera and one side of my eye makeup quickly, and then I'll be right back to do this one with you guys. I'm starting off the eye makeup with the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, and from this one I am at first going to be picking up this shade, which is called Off Balance, and this is a very muted soft pink kind of shade. So this is going to be working as my transition color, and I'm just using a Real Techniques crease brush. This is basically a blending brush, honestly. And now as the second transition color, which I'm going to be layering on top of the first one, I'm taking this Ofra blush, and this is in the shade Punch. And now for the crease, I'm going in with the shade Hot Mess. Now in the entire lid, I'm going in with this shade called Supernova. This is an absolute beautiful pink shade. So I'm going to be applying this one all over my eyelid, and later I'll be adding another shade, which is this one, to kind of make a halo in the eye. Now taking the shade Cosmic, this is going in the middle of the lid. Now taking the shade Vortex, and I'm just going to be applying slightly in the outer V of my eyes so that it gives a little bit of dimension to the eye makeup. Today for liner, I'm using the Inglot AMC Gel Liner in 77, and also I'm using the Sigma Winged Eyeliner brush with this. Now for the lower lash line, I'm taking the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, and from this one I am taking this shade called Risk, and later I'll be blending it out with the shade called Maneater. Now I'm just going to be tight lining my eyes with a black kohl, and I'm using the Huda Beauty Lifeliner pencil set for that. I don't know why, but I haven't seen people talk about the pencil side that much, but honestly speaking, I love the pencil side because it's just so creamy. It just glides on so easily. Just see, it glides on effortlessly. It's so easy. And it's so creamy and long lasting too, plus it's very black. Now I'm just going to be applying some Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and then I'll be applying some eyelashes from Lily Lashes. Okay, so this is pretty much the eye makeup, but I need to highlight the brow bone and inner corner, and for that I am taking the Kaleidos Makeup Comet Catcher highlighter. So back to the face, and now I'm going to be bronzing up my face. Not going to do any heavy contouring, just taking my W7 bronzer and my angled bronzer brush. Using the same color to slim down my nose. For blush, using this shade Punch from Ofra. For highlighter today, at first I'm taking the Huda Beauty Winter Solstice highlighter palette. I'm going to be using the cream from this one. The cream in this one is a pink cream highlighter, so I'm using this one as the base, and then I'll be going in with a Kaleidos makeup highlighter, the one actually which I used in my brow bone. I will use that one. So I'm just going to be taking the cream highlighter, which is called Frosted Kiss, from the Huda Beauty Winter Solstice palette. Now using the Kaleidos makeup highlighter in the shade Comet Catcher, and this is a pink highlighter. I absolutely love this one. For the lips, now I'm taking two lip liners, and I'm actually going to make them work as my lip color today. I'm not going to be using any liquid lipstick, so the colors that I'm using are these two, and one is from Huda Beauty and another one is Colourpop Lippie Pencil. So the Huda Beauty lip contour is in the shade Trophy Wife, which is kind of like a muted purpley pink one. And then again, another shade that I'm using from Colourpop is Love Bug. So this is actually a little bit more on the tangerine orangey side, or like it's a bit warm nudish type of color on my skin tone. But I'm just going to be mixing them two together. And another thing which I'm going to do is I'm also going to use my Inglot Duraline. Adding a little bit of this in the tip of the lip pencil will make it a lot more creamier and make it go like a liquid lipstick in my lips. So this is the final look, and I am loving it. Honestly, I'm loving it so much, and I think it looks really beautiful. So I am in love with this look, and all the product details that I used in this video will be given down in the description box below. So make sure you guys do check that out, and if you guys like this video, make sure to give this one a big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribing to my channel, what are you even doing? Make sure you guys do subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to follow me in my Instagram because I'm mostly active in there, and also make sure you do follow me in my Facebook too, and I'll be catching you guys again in my next video. Till then, happy Valentine's Day and bye bye!